What's up, traders? This is VinnBoss giving you a short course where we are going to analyze two factors: identifying buying opportunities and selling opportunities. And then the second topic that we are going to deal with is maintaining a good trading psychology. Now, without wasting further time, let's print the first fact here. One, this is going to be identifying buying and selling opportunity. Do you get it? This is the first uh, lesson that I'm going to show you. This lesson is going to be short. It's not going to take long, hence I'm not writing all the words in full. Now, the second topic that we're going to talk about is trading psychology. Now, with this trading psychology and identifying buying opportunities and selling opportunities and maintaining a good trading psychology, you can reach levels on this trading journey or in this trading business. Now, without wasting time, how do you identify if this is still a buy or a sell? Now, without wasting further time, we are going to show you what are buys and what are sells. For an example, if we are in a downtrend like this, and then all of a sudden we have him coming here, we call this area right here a change of structure. We call this area right here change of structure, because after this new low that happened over here, it was excuse me, this was the first time. This is wave one, this is wave two, three, four, five, and this is what I call the exhaustion candle, the candle that just goes straight through support or resistance and then comes back, breaking the new tops to retest and then go up. Now, before we can retest, each and every time when trading, you have to look for a correction, a pullback. Do you understand? Now, this would be your pull. If this was a bullish momentum, this will be your pullback. And ever since this is a broken resistance turning support, this will be a great place for you to look for buying opportunities to go up to this level. Now, this is the identifying buying opportunities. Now, selling will be again after taking your profit here. This would be the market. This means that this simply means that we are still here. Now, you can never ever sell this just because it takes too long to do a pullback or to retrace. Now, without wasting further time, what I would expect for me to start buying in this pair is another break of structure and a continuation. This would be my break of structure and followed by the continuation. Now, this would be a great place to look for buying opportunities. Now, this would be a great place for looking for buying opportunities. Does that make sense to anybody who's watching the video? I hope so. Because if you're not, if it doesn't make sense, make sure you WhatsApp me or contact me on WhatsApp. The details to this video will be down in the description below. Now, without continuing again and wasting further time, this is a short course on how to identify buying opportunities. Now, let me show you one last chance of the expected wave. If this was where the pullback will be starting or a retracement will be starting, this is how we would look. And given the fact that you are still following my same strategy, the same strategy that I'm teaching you right now, you will earn more and more profits. Now, after this, obviously everybody know we buy at a broken resistance, turning support. Broken resistance right here, turning support right here. Broken resistance right here, turning support right here. Now, this obviously would be a great place to look for buying opportunities. Do you guys understand trading psychology? Now, if you are one of those traders, you might as well use a trend line like this to join and show you places where you can just buy to continue. Now, this part that I've just told you is understanding the buying opportunities. Now, let me switch over, remove this, and then we shall talk about selling opportunities. They are the same as buying opportunities, but instead of looking for broken resistance turning support, it will be broken support which will turn resistance. Let me show you selling opportunities. Now, let's do the second part of the first topic, which is identifying buying opportunities, which is completed. Now we are identifying selling opportunities. Now, if we were to identify selling opportunities, we would be in a downtrend. Now, before we get into a downtrend, this is what we would be having. This market is going up. This is the direction the market is going into, and it's the up direction. Now, what we will be looking for is this, the same as in buying opportunities, but in this case, it will be a break of support. This will be a break of this support, which will turn resistance, and then look for selling opportunities around this area to continue going down. Now, if we do get a pullback right here, where will our broken support turn resistance be? Right here. And again, this also is a great place to look for selling opportunities. Going down, this would be a great place to find selling opportunities. in other words, this will be bearish formations, double top, bearish formations that look like shoulders, head, shoulders, which will be a head and shoulder pattern. And right here, we will think this is a double top with a little bit of a retest of this broken support, now turning resistance to continue further going down. Now, if we do have, again, this is still a bearish momentum, so we would only be looking for selling opportunities. To look for this, we already know that this area right here called the support has been broken by the momentum going down, and it will be retested by this correction or the pullback, and then find great opportunities on this area right here to go short. Isn't trading and finding opportunities of trade, of buying and selling, a great strategy to deal with? Isn't it? Isn't it a great thing to find while trading? Now, without wasting further time, let me show you one last time so that you can get it. And I want you to do this with me. What is this? This is your broken support. The only place we are going to sell is at this broken support, which will now turn resistance. Now we are looking for what? This, and there, a great place to look for sales to continue down. This has been happening over and over and over the past few months. Now, without wasting further time, this is how to identify buying opportunities and selling opportunities. Now, without wasting further time, let's continue to the second topic of today, which is how to maintain a good trading psychology. This is what I'm talking about. The second topic, how to identify, how to have a good trading psychology. Now, having a good trading psychology, I can show you right now on this selling opportunities, is that your psychology right here, excuse my writing, I know it sucks. Okay, now your psychology will start from this area. You realize your psychology is supposed to tell you that this is a change of structure and now we are selling, and your psychology should only tell you that you don't buy this pullback, you only sell this rally. You don't buy this pullback, you only sell this rally. You do not buy this pullback, you only sell this rally. No buying this pullback, only selling the rallies down. Now, without wasting more of our precious time, can anybody understand what trading psychology means? This is the part whereby you have to understand where to enter and where not to enter. That means you are a little bit stable psychologically when dealing with this. If this was an uptrend, your psychology should be to buy here, take profit here, never ever ever sell this wave down here, because it will be our broken turning, it will be our broken resistance, yes, turning support here. Now your psychology should be to buy here and never to sell this, because if you are selling this, the only time you will be looking for a selling opportunities is if this area of the last low, the last place where you bought, should be invalidated like this. And now we know what we'll call this invalidation. We will call it support, broken, turning into resistance. And then that is the only time where we are going to be thinking about selling to go down. Now, if you do not possess the skill or the psychology to know this, the psychology of a trader involves identifying the sentiment, knowing whether this is a buying sentiment or this is a selling sentiment. And your trading psychology can be enhanced with certain tools. Uh, you should try maybe meditating. Okay, you should try maybe meditation. You should try meditation even. I know it sounds like some some snob shit, but it's not. You should try some meditation, and then after the meditation, meditation will help you to calm your thoughts down. Meditation will help you to see your inner self first, because trading for me is almost as if it's spiritual. For you to understand who you are, it will be simple for you to understand which psychology it is. But if you have confusions about who you are or which side the market is on, you will buy and sell pullbacks. Pullbacks are not there to be sold. Those are your times to wait for a great place to sell, wait, great place to sell, wait, great place to sell, wait, great place to sell. Now, this is what you should. Meditation will help you achieve this level, right? Again, the only thing that might help you, one of the only things that might help you, one of the things that will help you again is joining our trading community to deal with all this every day. Now, without wasting further time, thank you for watching the video. I hope you like and subscribe to this channel to make sure that you keep up to date with all the information that goes on in this channel. Now, thank you and happy trading.